kamote. 2 card monte. 3 card monte, di ba?
Silaw
I have 3 cards, tapos i-mix kong card, tapos i-pick 1 card. Tapos taha mo na imo card na mo. Okay, so, ari, maubra lang ta 2 cards. So, I have the cards here. It's the Ace of Spade. Remember the Ace of Spade?
Ace of Spade.
Yeah. Ang imo kamot na mo. Hold it tightly. Tapos, ang next card is the Ace of Clubs.
Ace of Clubs.
Right? So, Magicero, di ba? I-switch ko, clubs harap na spade natin. Balik ko, spade harap yung clubs harap sa akin. Tsakto man? Okay. Slowly.
Ano siya katong Ace of Spade?
Ari sa kon, Ace of Clubs.
Clubs.
Yeah. Slowly ko lang. Kay basyang ba mo, dasi ko kamot yung Magicero ko, di ba? Slowly lang. I'll give you the Ace of Clubs. Tapos, I'll get the Ace of Spades. Just, di ba? Ace of Spades, right? Tapos, watch siya. Say mo, i-mix ko lang. Say mo, where is, di enda ang spade ka ng clubs. Mababao sa idalong.
Pagbutang ni mo,
Sayaw, Charlie.
para na ako, diri ang Ace of Spade.
Yeah.
Sa ilalom.
Tapos,
Ganya,
Abot unsa to ni diri?
clubs,
right? Clubs.
Ace of Spade and clubs. So,
Ace of Spade. Ace of Clubs diri, then Ace of Spade.
Sure ka? Sure mo na. Sure ka? Okay, slowly. Lantawa.
Sure.
Uy, murag nakabantay lagi ko, promise. Dili, paminaw.